Hello everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here once again from Emotional Crypto Trading. Today's topic on 28th of October is related to Cardano price action, technical details and news of the market. So before we get into the topic, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. At the same time, I have my primary YouTube channel that you can see right now, where I talk about my trades, I share with you live trades, I talk about strategies, indicators and technicals as well. So make sure to subscribe over there as well. So talking about the Cardano news, first of all, I'd like to tell you that there are all sorts of great news in terms of the Cardano ecosystem, which is predicted by the CEO that it will become a network of blockchains. Now, when it comes down to a such statement, that is more than impressive, folks. At the same time, it will significantly increase the value of Cardano over the long term. So there's also some panic type of titles out there, but there are some ridiculous Cardano price forecast. ADA spikes up 1%. Cardano reached $5 in November. At the time, the price is right now 38 cents. They're talking about $5 in November. They didn't say which November. Right? They didn't set November 2022, 2003, 4, 5. In 2025, it can reach to $5 in November. That's right. But in 2022, it is very less likely that in a month, it's going to be to $5 from 38 cents. So who does that 12x on top of the current situation? Well, it is very, very less likely. On top of that, we do see a lot of the great news, such as the EU lawmaker calls Cardano a rocket, as ADA eyes a monster bull run. Well, that's obvious, but in order to do its bull run, you need the whole market to be in a stable position and capable of a bull run. Not at a time the whole picture is bearish and then you got Amazon plummeting 20%, folks. You're not going to have Cardano going crazy about it. Let's talk about other things as well, such as the Cardano price action for the past 7 days. Out of the top 10, well, you have Dogecoin increasing 27%. This is the most. And then you have basically Ethereum 17%, but Cardano sits at 14%. That's also something that would satisfy me. Talking about the charts and the data, well, this is where are we with the 4-hour candlesticks. It's a very interesting situation as Cardano has 3 important lines at the moment in terms of the trending. The major resistance, major support, and the median line. At the time, we were needing to deal with a market condition of Cardano that was not only difficult, yet pretty strange, of a very, very long period of time of decreases since 10th of September. We had that top there. So since that, the market has just been plummeting. And on 10th of October, so exactly 1 month afterwards, we accelerated. Alright, so the movement is like this, and then you accelerate downwards. This is a difficult task to handle for the traders, which have been trading at this range and accumulating, yet all of them are in minus. And they've been in minus for quite a long term. 37%, which is a lot in 41 days. And that's still on top of other decreases that Cardano has been taking place. Therefore, the reaction was something really significant, I would qualify, due to the fact that we had our support trending line, which is a major one, and we were expecting a possible reaction there. It happened, right? The reaction also showed dominance, so at the time the candle has closed on 34 cents, the possibility of tradings have opened, and then you have a 21% movement. I'd like to take a look from the bottom to the top, folks. It's 26%. That's insane. If you're asking me, 26% movement in 4 days and 4 hours, which is the time span for that particular part, is insane, 26%. If you put it out on a 3x leverage, that's 75% on your margin. If you're in a margin of $100,000 and you put out on a 3x to make $75,000 in 4 days, you are insane. You are insane with that such percentages, which is how Cardano reacts this time. On top of that, I will tell you that you are supposed to expect great things from the market. You are supposed to expect major movements, bullish movements, and strong movements at the time the recoveries are presented. You're not supposed to expect in any form out of the rallies movement that consists 6, 7, 8%. The expectations, especially for Cardano, must be set high. The level of volatility we have at this time is also big, so everything is in correlation with a such statement. What happens afterwards? Well, you have a major resistance here. It's obvious that you take a hit. You're losing right now as BTC, Ethereum is losing, so the whole market is decreasing. We have the median support line. Well, a reaction could be expected. We have a 35 cents, and then we have back in the day our support down right there. Cardano below 30 cents. It is not only predictable, yet I would say a 99% chance of hitting that. So Cardano under 30 cents, in my opinion, looks great in terms of the price. That's already a 10x compared to the all-time high. And from the way the whole structure looks, at the time Cardano starts moving, a 10x in the bull run for Cardano is not only achievable, yet it would be an undervalued price of $3 in terms of prediction. That's my standpoint, but we're going to talk about a whole picture in other videos as well, where I'm going to point out some discussions related to these cryptos. That's pretty much all, folks, for today. Make sure to check out the scrembocoaching.com for those of you that are looking for education in trading. If you want to become a trader, if you would like to make money by trading, feel free to check out Scrembo which describes how my private one-on-one coaching program works directly with me on live conversations where I'll take you by hand, and from A to Z I teach you how to trade. At the same time, we have our commission trading for those of you that would like to join my trades that I perform for myself. I can connect you through the API and run through the trades. We have a commission out of the pure profits. There is no upfront cost. All the links in the description area and comments area right below the video, including towards the main YouTube channel, which you can see a lot more about it. Thank you, folks. Talk to you soon.